guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know you guys haven't seen me in a freaking while, but I'm back and I'm better. So I've had a lot going on. I traveled, I moved back home, and I'm moving again. That will be a secret. You guys will see soon where I will be moving to. I got engaged, okay, and I will do a video, a story time about that soon. I'll do two, my side of the story, and then one for me and my fiance on our channel. By the way, go subscribe to our channel. It's Kabi. I'll put the link down below, or you could go on my page and it's a link to my channel so you can see his page and our page. So today I got something a little special for you guys. It's an at-home facial. So these are all my secrets that I use on my client and on my skin. So I've been breaking out a bit, as you can tell, because I've been traveling, I've been stressed, and just a whole bunch of stuff. So before this water gets cold, let's get started. So first things first, you're gonna have to get yourself some hot water. This was boiled water, and I added a little cooling to it to you know, not burn myself. And you are going to need a cloth. Now this is the first step in opening my pores to extract all the bullshit. So extract all the trash and things of that sort. So I'm gonna dip my washcloth in it, and I will go through it on my skin to prep my pores in my skin for extraction. Now, I don't know if you could tell, you could see my pores are open. They're visual right in these areas. For today, we're gonna be using 3 tools: extraction set and my little pore cleaning machine. Now this is the Vitara one. I love it, and it's not too high end, not too low end, but it works wonders. Now first things first, I'm gonna show you the different sides in these tools. So you have this flat-headed round side with another round side, but this one's quite curved, and it's quite meaty, I could say. It's more thick than this side. Now on the other one, we have a nice pointy side to pick in the blemish to pull out with this side. So this side and this side are quite similar. This one's as thick as this one, but this one's more large than this one. Let me show you. So you can pick up bigger blemishes with this one and smaller ones with this one. Do my nails, they're quite natural right now. You're going to spread it like this and use the flat side and pull it down. Now you could see this one properly. We're gonna take it by its head. And it popped right this way, and this one the same way. That one you can see that it popped out. Now the same way, we're gonna wipe it on the piece of paper. And what else? That's good. Now for these pores, right here, we're just gonna turn it on. Now I have the big head on. You have many more different heads, smaller, thinner for the corner of your nose, but I feel like this one works best for my face. So let's get started. Now what I like to do is pull upwards, and don't let it sit. Like there's some people, they sit and then they, no, you literally, you tap and go up like so. Freaking face, we're gonna have to close our pores. So that's where you're going to wash your face with some fresh cold water. I will be back. I am back. So my pores are closed up. I do have redness. That's personally me because I always have redness. Like my skin gets very red easily. So to our second step, which is facial cleansing and exfoliating. So, Arbonne RE9 Advanced Soothing Facial Cleanser. Why is this not picking up? So this is how it comes. This is the travel size because my full size is finished, so I'm going down to my travel size. While my face is still a little bit damp, we're gonna be going in to massage this into our skin and all with my Vitara facial cleansing brush. So as my face is still a little bit damp, we're going to take this much and generously apply to the skin. Okay. Go as so. Now that my face is all cleansed and clean, we are going to head into the face mask. So today I'm gonna be using the Mask Argile Anti-Imperfection Purifie, Matifie, and Affinité Peau. That means it's an anti-perfection clay mask. It purifies, mattifies, and refines pores. 90% of formula with natural origin ingredients. It's a combination to oily skin, so this is perfect for me because my face is always shiny. So since we've opened our pores and we need to mattify and make our face nice, we're going to do a little face dyeing my face mask, and we are going to do it. It smells like life. Guys, I've been vlogging so much on my couples channel. You guys should go check it out. See all the fun things we've been doing together. I'm so in love with my man. Not gonna lie. And guys, anything you want me to film, let me know. Literally. All done with my mask. Now we're gonna give it 10 minutes. I'll be back. So I am back. My face is nice and fresh. I can definitely feel that it's much softer. It smells amazing, and it is definitely mattified, and my pores are seamless. So yeah, as I told you guys before, I do have redness. Now, next step. We're gonna go with our RE9 Advanced Renewive Serum. This much, we don't need much. As you can see, the face mask lets my face really matte, nice and soft, clear and smelling great. But like I said, I do have redness. With our RE9 Advanced toner onto these nice little round cotton swabs. I'll show you in a bit. And we're gonna coat our face. The Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream and the Farzali Turmeric Eye Cream. I love it. Both of them together, magical. But I'm not gonna lie, I use this almost all over my face. So first we're gonna go in with don't judge me, it's almost done because I use this every day. Using my ring finger. Underneath the eye quite generously. And above the eye as well. In your eye area, you have to be as gentle as possible because this skin, you don't want it to loosen, you don't want it to irritate, and you have to just be careful. Now, to me, the banana brightening eye cream for Ole Henriksen, it's an automatic look for me. It just wakes me up. Now, going in with the Farzali one. The back always gets a little product. Now this brightens. I don't know, I put it all over because I just love this stuff and it smells amazing. And guys, a little goes a long way. You all know I'm a minimalist. I'm gonna use two places and go up. Like so. Now it leaves my face all bright and dewy and clear. Before last step, we're gonna go in with my Farzali Rose Gold Elixir. And just a little bit. This is moisturizing. Like I always say, go up, never go down. I'm going with my Mario Badescu facial spray in lavender and chamomile. Leaving me fresh and cute and ready. Now, if I wanted, I could apply makeup on this because I properly prepped my skin after this facial. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this at-home facial. Don't go spending mad guap, you know, on facials and things of whatnot. Now, I do not have a facial steamer. That's something that you guys can add into this routine as well. I soon will have that. I will add that on an updated skincare routine facial at home in a while. You guys have time. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. And like I always say, in order to have a nice flawless makeup, a nice skin and things like that, you need to prep your skin. You need to take care of it. You need to, you know, put them dollar bills in this skin because as we're going as well, and for the older women as well, you have to protect what you have. You have to protect your skin. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for being so patient with me. I know I haven't been uploading as much, but I've got a bunch of new fire videos for you guys. Love you guys. Love you so much. And you know, keep supporting me. Keep striving with me. I really love you guys. We're finally at 300 subscribers. I'm so happy. At 500 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway, so let's get ready. And yeah, love you guys. Guys, I couldn't forget to add this in my video, but don't forget to get your Bees Angel Living lashes. So we have the Bees Touch lashes, which is these ones. We have the What's Tea lashes, and we also have the Miss B lashes. Now guys, I'm gonna add a little picture right here of the Bees Angel stack. Now the prices went down, so come pick up some, guys. Come pick up some. Delivery worldwide, and pickups in South Florida and pickups in Port Prince, Haiti, and soon pickups will come to Santo Domingo, DR, Dominican Republic. I will let you guys know about that soon, but thank you guys so much. Please, if you want to shop, come shop. Love you guys so much.